Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest coffee cake ever, and I'm using apples to make mine, but you can use whatever you have on hand. You can use blueberries, strawberries, whatever you want. I like it with apples, so today I'm going to show you how to make it with apples. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know you will. It's so delicious and it's so easy. Bye.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. I'm shaking, I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight, 'cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. You almost know what I am thinking, 'cause I believe